Hi, I'm Devon with Math Mentors, and today I'm going to go over the basics of systems of equations. So, what does a system of equations tell you? So, the system of equations can tell you the point at which two functions will intersect. So, we have an example here. We have the graph of f of x, this yellow curve, this yellow line here, and the graph of g of x, this orange red looking line. Now, the point at which these two functions intersect is the point where the x and y of both functions are equal. Meaning this point, which looks something like 2, 2. Both functions meet at the point 2, 2. Okay? So with that information, how can you solve systems of equations? And to that answer, there's a lot of different ways. The first way is to find the point, you can use cancellation, right? So say we have the function 3x plus, actually here, we'll say 3x minus 2. We'll set this y equals, and we also have y equals negative 2x plus 3. Something simple. What we can do, since at the point, this black point, we have x and y where they're both equal, so that means since y is equal, these two functions would be equal to each other. So, and these are not depictions of these graphs, but these are just for example. So we can set 3x minus 2 equal to negative 2x plus 3. And then now all we have to do is simplify and solve for x. So we add 2 to this side, add 2 to this side, subtract or add 2x to both sides. I'm doing this all in one step, but you can always break it down. Do the numbers first, and then do the variables. But it's also okay to do it like this, which we're then left with 5x equals 5, which means you divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 1. Now that we have the first point here, we know that x is equal to 1. Now we need to find the y. So to solve for the y, we can just put this x into either of these two equations. For this example, we'll put it into this first one. So let's assume, so let's throw this in. So we have y equals 3. We put 1 in for x minus 2. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1, which means the point where these two functions intersect is 1, 1. So on this graph, they intersect at 1, 1. I hope this helped you understand systems of equations and how to solve for them using cancellation.